Some people think they don't really need to know much about investing because the professionals will take care of it for them. But we have a strong belief that the clients have to know at least the basics, because there's going to be storms in the market. There's going to be times when they don't want to stay the course. And it's going to be a lot easier if they understand why we're doing what we're doing. And they understand the risk and how we're trying to mitigate that risk. We start with really the basics. I think our forte is explaining the basics in a simple form. It's complicated if you want to get deep into it, but at the basics level, finance can be understandable if it's explained the right way, we believe. And if we do that, we think it makes a big difference. And we've done it many times. We've done it with, we actually run a high school finance course, and if we can do it with the high school students, we can probably do it with most clients. I've taught my own children finance that way, and we put it into graphics. It's easier to see how something works. So we kind of take pride in the fact that we can take any person with any level of financial sophistication or lack thereof and get them up to speed pretty quick. We joke around that, if you give us an hour, you're going to know more about finance than 90% of the population. And it goes further than that, because pretty much every client meeting that we have, we sprinkle in a little bit of education in there. And we do it in such a way that pretty much anybody can understand it. And the fundamentals are like that. You don't need to get complex. If you're talking to some financial advisor and you don't understand what the heck they're saying, I always question, do they actually know as much as they think they do? We say Morgia 101, every client kind of goes through our education process, some more formally than others. Sometimes we'll actually have a client come in and sit with us for an hour and a half specifically for what we call Morgia 101. It comes down to, if the client knows what to expect, they're more likely to stay the course. And that's true in pretty much everything. If you're going on a mountain hike and they didn't tell you it might snow, and then it does, and it's not a very fun day, you could panic, and that's dangerous. We use that analogy quite a bit, but it's apropos because in the market it's the same way. If nobody told you that stocks can go down 50%, it doesn't happen often, but it's happened twice in the last 18 years. If you don't know that and it happens, it's very hard to remain calm during that. It's easy to jump off and get derailed from your strategy. So that's why it's crucial. It's really one of the pillars of our philosophy is the client must understand, at least to some degree, what we're doing.